This Italian chocolate pudding is super luxurious because it has a lot of cream in it. But it's light and mousse-like too, and baking helps it cook evenly. It's super easy to put together. Let me show you how. And free Palestine. First, chop up 4 ounces of bittersweet or dark chocolate and add 2 tablespoons of sugar and a 1/3 cup of whole milk. Microwave until just melted. Set aside. Transfer to a large bowl and add 1 egg, 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, and a 1/4 cup of coffee. Mix till smooth, then pour into 3 3/4 cup buttered ramekins and bake in a water bath for about a half an hour or until set on edges and slightly jiggly in the center. Cool 20 minutes, then serve either warm or at room temperature. Enjoy.